Why do over 60% of Hollywoodbets users prefer quick and easy deposits? Here's how you can use your Airtime to join them. Hey there, Hollywoodbets fans! Want to know how to play using your Airtime? Here's a quick guide. First up, Spot Money. Download the Spot Money app, register, navigate to vouchers, select Hollywoodbets, choose the amount, and pay using your linked Airtime. You'll get a voucher code to redeem on Hollywoodbets under the deposit section. Next, OTT voucher. Visit the OTT voucher online portal, select the voucher amount, provide your cell phone number, and choose a payment provider. You'll receive a voucher code to deposit into your Hollywoodbets account. Finally, One Voucher. Buy one at stores like Flash Traders, Pep, or ShopRite. Log into Hollywoodbets, go to deposit, select One Voucher, enter the 16-digit PIN, and tap redeem. Remember, Hollywoodbets offers various deposit options like vouchers, bank transfers, and mobile payment apps. Check their website or app for the latest info.